Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna go over how you can set up your Roku TV so that when you power it on, it automatically goes to the input that you want it to go to. So for this example, I'm gonna set it up with my Apple TV and I have it plugged in to HDMI 1. So know what input that you'd like to set up. At that point, what we're gonna do is from the side menu area, we're gonna find where it says settings. And then in our settings area, what we wanna do is scroll all the way to the bottom and find where it says system. In our system menu, we want to go over and select power. So going down to the power option, and with power on, currently it's going to my home screen. So instead, if I'd like it to go to HDMI 1, I can go down to that option, click OK on HDMI 1. Now when I start my TV, it's automatically going to go to that input. So I'll show you what this looks like. I'm going to turn my TV off. And I'm powering my Roku back on. It's going right to HDMI 1. And with my Apple TV plugged in, powered on, and ready to go, it opens up and goes right to my Apple TV menu. So if you ever want to go back to the home page of your Roku TV, you just have to bring out the Roku remote, click on the home button, and it will take you back to your home page. And if you'd ever like to change this, again, you just go back down to settings, and then in the system menu, go back to power. And with power on, you can select which input it's going to open up to automatically when you power on your Roku TV. If you ever want to just go back to the home page and have it be set to standard, you can click OK on the home screen option, and on power on, it will go back there. So I hope this video is helpful going over how you can set up the power on option for your Roku TV to have it automatically go to a certain input. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.